Hi, this is Kunal from HelloStockMarket.com. Now, in today's video, I'm taking one of the readers' questions, and this one comes from John and Elena, and they ask, what studies to use in Thinkorswim, and what is the best way to know if a stock is going to drop soon? Great questions, John and Elena. When it comes to indicators, you want to use a combination of different indicators together because that can give you hints or some clues of what could happen in a time period that you're looking at. For example, I like using moving averages. Now, 50, the 300, or 50, the 200, or even the 30 and the 50, moving averages are great combinations to use for short-term or long-term type of plays. So if the 50 crosses above the 200, that could be a bullish sign, and if 50 crosses below the 200, that could be a long-term bearish sign. A couple other indicators you may want to try are momentum indicators. For example, the RSI or the MACD or the stochastics. Now, if you see a convergence of those, that could be a bullish sign, or a divergence of those could be a bearish sign. Now, I have a few examples of this on the website if you want to check it out. Another really good indicator is something to do with volume, and the reason I like watching volume is to see how the smart money is going in and out of a stock. If you see accumulation or distribution of volume, that could be a bearish or a bullish sign. I think I reversed that, but you know what I mean. But volume is a great precursor to price movement because sometimes you can see volume spikes or start to fall depending on, let's say, news that could be impending or earnings that could be hit or miss. And sometimes the smart money could be going in or out depending on what they see or what the analysts could see. So hopefully this helps you. Now, to answer your second question about if you can use indicators to tell if a price is going to fall soon, unfortunately you can't, but because otherwise I would be a multi-zillionaire. And that hasn't happened, so I think that's a pretty safe bet that you can't use indicators to predict what would happen, but you can use indicators to use as pieces of a puzzle to determine if you want to get in or out of a stock.